Welcome guys!
Ito guys, ang seafood cup noodles ng Japan. Ito po yung normal size. Ayan guys, ang Japanese nori. Ayan po guys.
Use this seal po. Ayan, dyan po yan ilalagay para hindi po sisingaw. Nissan Instant Ramen is a type of instant ramen that was invented by Momofuku Ando, the founder of Nissan Foods in Japanese in 1958. Add hot water po.
Hanggang sa may, nakikita niyo po yung line. Ayan. Guys, i-mix po natin siya ng konti para medyo maayos po yung ng noodles. Pantay ko ibig po yung noodles.
Nissan Seafood Cup Noodles is a type of instant noodle product made by Nissan Foods, a Japanese food company that specializes in instant noodles. Thank you guys.